Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me using all of these amazing products that I got from Morphe. I will be creating this full face. If you guys would like to see how I got this makeup look, just continue watching. Okay, so we're going to jump right into the tutorial today. The first thing that I will be doing is I'm going to be priming my face. I'm going to be mixing a few different primers. This is the Wet n Wild primer base. This is just like the regular primer, and then I'm also using the Wet n Wild, the dewy face primer, and I'm also going to be mixing in the NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Next, I'm taking my Bare Mineral foundation and I'm just going to squirt that on my brush and then work that on my face. To contour and highlight today, I am going to be using the Morphe concealers. So first I'm going to conceal and highlight under my eyes, and for that I'm going to use Toffee Nut and the color Caramel. First I'm going to go in with Toffee Nut. I'm not really focusing too much on my concealer coverage just yet. I'm just putting a base really so I can get my eyes done before I do my full face. So right now I'm just concealing so I can go in with my eyeshadows and stuff, but to brighten I will do that after I'm done with my eyes. I'm using my Morphe R44 brush and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows really quickly. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Morphe JACLYN Hill palette. The first shade that I'm going to take, that's the shade Pookie. I'm just going to take that on a regular blending brush and blend that into my crease. I'm going to make sure to bring that eyeshadow out because I want this to be a blown out kind of smoky eye look. The next color I'm taking is this shade right here. The name of that shade is Roxanne, and I'm going to use the same exact brush that I was just using, and I'm going to blend that in with the Pookie that I just used. Next, I'm taking a Morphe E14 brush, and I'm going in with the shade here. This is the shade Mocha, and I'm going to blend that shade on the outer and inner corner of my eyes to start building up my halo eye. I'm just taking a clean, fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend everything together. Now I'm taking a Morphe E19 and I'm going in with the shade here. This is the shade Firework. I'm going to use the shade Firework and I'm going to cut out my halo eye. The next shade that I'm going to use is this shade right here. That's the shade Meeks, and I am going to place that in the center of this orange. The last shade that I'm going to pop into the center of this halo eye is this gold shade here, and that is the shade Queen. That's it for the eyes for now. I'm going to go put on some mascara and some eyelashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're going to finish off my eyes. Today I am going to be using my Morphe eyeliner gel. This is in the shade Blend the Rules. It's a blue color and I'm just going to smudge this all under my eye. as my eyeliner. I'm taking a Morphe M224 brush to do this, and I'm just going to dab some of that in there and then begin smoking that under my lash line. I just keep building up and applying until I get a bold blue that I like. I'm taking a clean Morphe E14 brush and I'm gonna blend this out some more and smoke it some more. Okay, so now that I pretty much have my eyes where I want it, I'm gonna continue on with my face. I'm gonna go back again with my Morphe concealers. I'm going to use Toffee Nut and Caramel to highlight under my eyes. Now I'm taking Espresso to contour with. Now I'm taking my translucent setting powder and I'm going to use this to set under my face. I'm actually going to use my Morphe E9 brush to apply this, so I have more control of where this powder goes. I'm using the shade Moisture foundation in the shade Staple to contour my face with today. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is the shade 40 Dark, and I'm going to use that to contour out my cheekbones. I have no idea what blush this is, but I am using it anyways. I'm taking a Morphe M416 brush and I'm going to use that gold shade Queen to highlight the inner tear duct of my eye. Okay, and the last thing for today, well, two more things. Now I'm going to do my highlight, and I am going to use the Morphe highlighter stick. This is the shade You Wouldn't Understand. Okay, let's see. I'm using the Morphe E61 brush to blend this out. This highlighter stick is really creamy. I like it. It blends out really nicely. I didn't like have to like smudge it out. Like it just blended out really nicely with this brush. Now I'm using a Morphe M321 brush, and I'm gonna blend this under my brow bone and on my nose. The last step to this look is my lips, and I am using the Morphe lip liner. This is in the shade Trendsetter, and I'm gonna use this to line my lip. This lip liner is really pigmented and it's creamy. I really like this formula. Now that I have the outer portion of my mouth filled in, I am going to fill in the center with Mented Cosmetics brand Nude. Okay, I'm all done with my face. Now I'm gonna go get all glammed up. Okay guys, so I am back and I am completely done with my look today. I just simply put my hair in a bun. Didn't feel like really doing it. So today I reviewed most of the Morphe products that I got from my Morphe haul. Brushes, absolutely love them. They are so nice and soft, and they blend so well. I'm sure you guys have heard millions and billions of different things about the Morphe brushes. They're absolutely amazing. This eyeliner that I used today for my bottom lash line, very creamy, very nice, very pigmented, blends very well. I definitely will go ahead and get more colors in this eyeliner because it is really nice. I love this blue with this natural brown kind of halo eye. This just really pops out and stand out. I really like this product. Today was also my first time using the Morphe highlighter stick, and I absolutely love it. It's a really creamy like formula, and when I first put it on, I was just like, whoa, I didn't expect it to be that bam in your face. And it blended out really nicely, so I didn't have to really dig in there. All I did was blend it out with my brush, and it blended well. So this here is a nice little product as well. The next makeup look that I do, I will use the Morphe 35B palette. I did not use that palette for today's look because I wanted to focus on the other things that I got that were Morphe, and I kind of didn't want to mess up the palette for my Morphe haul. The next makeup look I do is going to be with that palette. Amari, say hi Amari. He just woke up from a nap. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.